The 2025 Mercedes-Benz A-Class is a sleek, compact luxury hatchback that blends cutting-edge technology with stylish design. On the exterior, it maintains the signature Mercedes aesthetic, featuring a more refined front grille, angular headlights, and smooth lines that enhance aerodynamics. The design is modern yet retains a sporty edge with a sloping roofline and sculpted sides that give it a dynamic look. The front bumper is more aggressive, and the rear features updated taillights, giving the car a fresh and contemporary presence on the road. Inside, the 2025 A-Class continues to showcase Mercedes' commitment to luxury and technology. The cabin features a minimalist yet premium design with high-quality materials throughout, including soft-touch plastics, leather upholstery, and brushed metal accents. The centerpiece is the dual 10.25-inch MBUX infotainment screens that seamlessly integrate with the digital cockpit. These screens provide easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings, all controlled via a touchpad or voice commands. The cabin also boasts ambient lighting, a redesigned center console, and advanced driver assistance features, ensuring a comfortable and modern driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 A-Class offers a range of powerful and efficient engines, with both petrol and diesel variants available. The entry-level model features a 1.3-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, while higher trims include more powerful options, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers impressive horsepower and torque. The A-Class also incorporates the latest hybrid technology, offering a mild hybrid variant for better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. The car's handling is precise, with adaptive suspension options and a front-wheel drive layout, ensuring a balanced and engaging driving experience, while a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission provides smooth gear shifts.